Hey, hold hands again and do the skipping. Found you. I see your feet. I see your feet. Hello. Who's that? Is that Dommy? Hey, Bell, see your feet. I could see them in the rearview mirror too. Ah, I got you! Found you!
How do I into my car with?
Don't know where Dommy could be. Hello, Bella. Hello, Dommy. Ha! Gotcha. Hey, Dommy. Dommy, I see you. Hello. You're not still. Oh, come back upstairs. Oh. Hello. Ah.
We're going to skipping.
Alright. Okay. Skip. Bella, hold his hand. Skip, skip. You going? Ah, look at those cuties. Yeah, hello. What are they doing? What are you doing?
I know, I lost Dom.
You look so safe. You lost Dom.
Do it.
Yep.
Next minute I was holding his head.
Yep.
I was holding.
You just went poof. Yeah.
Let's talk.
Yeah, let's talk.
Hey.
What is he doing? What are you doing?
Nothing, I'm just
Why you look so suspicious?
not distracting you.
Oh, no, no,
That
no.
would be pathetic of me. What are you doing? You could get run over.
I know.
Look, there's nothing to look at over there. It's just cars.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, it's weird as. Ah!
Yeah, I do.
Ah, see ya. Gotcha. Gotcha. Hey, Dommy. Hey, Dommy. Ah. It was a cool shot, actually. See your feet. Hey, Belle Belle. I see you crawling, Belle. It can't be good for your knees. Hello. Hey, buddy. What's up? Ah!
Jessica's going squeakity squeak squeaky.
She smacked Roger in the face. She smacked Foxy in the face because Foxy was trying to take the ball. She went,
Oh, yeah.
Foxy! Give it to Foxy now?
Is it mine?
Oh! Don't hand her a ball.
What do you want for Christmas?
Get Rosie. Oh!
Hamster choosing what
Oh.
food to eat. Hamster choosing what food to eat. There's literally a live pig in there.
No, it's not.
That's a guinea pig. That's a hamster, dog.
No, that's a pig.
Hello. What are we up to?
Take face. Take face.
How long are you going to keep this on for, Baba? About the day? No? How long? Just an hour? An hour? 2 hours? Alright, we'll just do 4 hours.
Can you still talk
And
it?
No.
Dommy just said
Sure.
he's going to keep it on. No. What do you... Leave it. So I said, Dommy, if you're going to put it on, you got to leave it on for half an hour. So we'll just look at the time. Oh, yep. 7:47. Alright, good work, buddy. Vivi, you going to do it as well?
Nope.
My life will be so peaceful.
You know I can still do this.
Oh, mate, don't threaten me with a thong. No! Oh. Hey, Bella, you okay? Bella, what's wrong?
Something on my back and I don't want it. It's not funny.
It is funny.
It's not.
It's a cicada, darling. Or a cicada. Wow, this is so good. I'm so glad you're wearing a white shirt, because I can see this thing so well. Bella, it's okay. Oh my gosh, it's one of the human-eating cicadas. It burrows into your back, then it starts eating your heart.
What is that?
It's a cicada, buddy. It's okay.
It's coming up my back.
No, it's not. Belle, what are you doing? Just chill. Yeah, just run. You might have to do some exercise.
It's a cicada on Bella's back.
You want to touch it?
It's a cicada.
It's a cicada.
Oh! I used to
Hey, Vivi,
pick them off
you look
the
comfy,
trees all the
darling.
time.
Yeah, nice. No, don't need a stick. Bella, it's not gonna eat you.
Fine, I'll flick it off.
It might eat Dominic before it'll eat you.
I always
Don't squeal. What are you squealing about?
on the trees.
Are you in danger? Wait, are you in danger?
Yeah.
No.
Dad, I used to pick cicadas off the trees at Barali all the time.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Can I
Get
spit
it off.
Do you want to gently... Dommy? No, don't flick it.
Get like a stick and just
No, Bella, come here, turn around. Turn around. Dommy, do you want to lightly grab it?
Nah.
No.
I don't leave it
We
alone.
used to grab the shells of them, not a whole
God.
scar.
No, I actually grabbed it.
Come on, little guy. Come on, little guy. Bella, stay still. If you move, it'll stay on there. Hey, here we go.
Hey, buddy.
Hey, it's nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
So what do you think, Tommy?
It's cool. They
Yeah?
fly, you know.
They what?
They fly.
Yeah. Oh. Oh no. Someone grabbed that. Foxy, come back.
Foxy.
Raja. Thanks, buddy. Good catch. Good catch. Ah! Ah! Oh no.
Okay.
No, we're all super tangled. Alright. I'm hanging on to the puppy cords under my arm, and Raja just broke free. Yep.
Bella, hold this.
Oh my gosh. Oosh. Oh. Foxy, get back here. Alright, so I gotta release this and take control of the dogs again. Oh, it's fascinating. Oh, Foxy, you big forward drive. Oh, that's nice, Phoebe. Alright, see you, buddy. Ah! Oh, you just fell to the ground. Okay. That was slightly uneventful.
Look.
But don't stand there, okay?
Holding it.
Hey, Phoebe. Is that your pug? Yeah? I think she wants to run a bit.
I want to see this.
Okay,
Cicada.
move out the way. Move out the way.
I want to see this. Cicada.
Oh, okay, give me the red. Yeah, thanks, buddy. And there's Bella. Big, brave, powerful, scaredy cat of a cicada. Bella.
Hello, Cicada. Want to go back on Bella's back?
You found him?
Yeah, he's right there.
He's right there? Oh, okay.
Hello, Cicada. Hello. I looked at Cicada.
You found him?
Yeah. Want to play Lego with me at home? I'm pushing stuff up. I want to play Lego with me at home. I want to.
That's really nice, Dommy. Good thinking.
Mindy.
What's that? Panda doesn't like going high?
Yeah.
Okay.
I picked the trolley.
Good work, Phoebe. Alright. Ah, Dommy, this is so cute. Ah, you're looking after him really nicely.
I have a lot more teddies at home which I look after.
Yeah. Oh no! Oh, look out!
Hey!
What are you doing?
You said I couldn't have the baby pram?
So you're using the trolley as a pram? Alright, good work.
It's so hard to push around.
Actually, that's doing really well on the grass. I thought it would have stopped way before now. Hey, Dommy. This is so nice, buddy. Nah.